Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Returning officer ka Wan Shillong parliamentary seat Ubadeiru Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills District SC Sadhu Haringkat ki ARO Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills Rituraj Ravi bat ki wei menta Sngi ke Lait ban Jurip ya ka Jaka Ñiew vote nak benta ka Lok Sabha election ka badan ha Polo Shillong nak benta ban kre ya ka Ñiew vote ka ban long ha ka Sautarik Ujaliu harja arpusaw Habayok ban yakran bat kinong thok khobor Sadhu ula pentip bakila yok ban Jurip ya ka Jaka Ñiew vote khnang ban penkre ban bo ikikendon bandom don kano ke Jingthut ha ka Sngi Ñiew vote bat ban pentikna batang ki bayo jingbit kinla ban rung hapo ka Jaka Ñiew vote ulay thuru ban ka benta kilat pathai khobor pat an sa penkre lupa da ki screen khnang bikinla ban yo jingtip halor ka jingpenjari ya ka shispa saupusaw CRPC hapo ka district Sadhu ula ong baka wei ka seng san perthei bat seng bhalang kila kerpat ban pensange no ya kana ka hukum Henry nakaliang udisi ula ong bala penjari ya kani khnang ban lait na ka jing dheng kali kumju ru ban lait na kinu ki jing sha penthut hakapor Ñiew vote.
So we are planning to give parking space for officers and counting agents here.
So this side only?
This side officer no not officer. Counting staff for this side and this side for officers. We will designate separately. We will work out how many because so, separately we can give for polling is total. We have how many? 160 tables. No, 160 into 4, 640, and our team itself will be around 800. So 800 means they will come. So we can separate officers' vehicles. Today's inspection is for the purpose of briefing all AROs and other stakeholders like media team, police, CAPF, which is guarding the entire strong rooms and this control center, our counting center, about various arrangements that we have made. And in fact, we have made elaborate arrangements for the purpose of counting, which includes the smooth counting of machines and postal ballot counting for all 7 districts will be conducted here. And also detailed law and order arrangements so that there should not be any untoward incident at the counting center, and to ensure that only authorized people are only allowed to be entered into the counting center. So there is a separate dedicated media cell also has been created. We have briefed the media team also to ensure that media can have real-time access to information, so that the information sharing would be in a continuous and transparent manner. And we have set up separate. We will be setting up a separate screen for media to access, and up to this media center, we will allow media people to take mobiles also, so that for any other communication from there, media will be able to share this information. APF is here, but outer layer would be guarded by state armed police.
To revoke the CRTC order. So what's the money of
So this is one political party, and yesterday we received one petition from one of the NGOs with regard to revocation of 144, particularly with regard to prohibition of processions and rallies. But this order has been issued with an objective to ensure that law and order is not disturbed, and also to ensure the traffic convenience for the normal commuters. So because on 4th, that is counting day, would be a working day, and the counting center is in the middle of the city. So there is every possibility that the processions may lead to law and order disturbances, and also will create huge traffic problems that we experienced in last assembly elections. So with these objectives, we have issued these directions prohibiting processions and rallies, but other forms of celebrations at their own localities are not prohibited in this order. So this is very clear, and we have conveyed it to all stakeholders also.
So, sir,
we will not revoke this order. No, there is no thought of revoking this order, which is already issued. But again, I would like to reiterate that there is no objection of the parties or candidates celebrating at their own localities, so that we are not against the celebrations.
Okay, sir.
Separate parking arrangements for the political representatives of the political parties and their teams, and there will be separate parking places for our officers and the counting teams. So SRGT parking lot will be earmarked for the political parties, and the other grounds will be for our counting teams.